Everyone talks about CI/CD, but in reality, most teams stop at the D. We've automated the testing and the deployment, but the last mile, the part where we actually tell the world what we shipped, is still stuck in the dark ages. Right now, if you want a clean release, a senior engineer has to manually trawl through 30 or 40 merge requests, try to remember why a specific dependency was bumped, and then translate all the technical jargon into something a product manager or a customer can actually read. It's tedious, it's inconsistent, and it usually happens 3 days after the code is already live. We built Aurora to fix this. It's an autonomous release intelligence platform built natively on GitLab Duo. The workflow is simple. You push a tag. That's the only human input required. The second that tag hits the server, Aurora kicks off a 5-agent pipeline. First, our harvester and classifier agents go to work. They don't just look at commit messages. They look at the actual Mr. Diffs. They identify that a specific configuration change isn't just a chore. It's a breaking change that requires a migration. They find the CVEs patched in your dependencies and flag them for the security section. Then, the writer and announcer take over. They use a policy as code approach. Instead of a generic AI summary, they look at a release-policy.yml file in your repo. This file tells Aurora exactly how your team works, what labels map to which categories, and what tone to use. If your marketing team wants a dual tone, Aurora generates a high-level executive summary for the stakeholders and a granular, technical bulleted list for the engineers. Finally, the publisher agent wraps it all up. It doesn't just shout into the void. It commits the updated CHANGELOG.md, creates the GitLab Release via API, and opens a single merge request containing your Slack announcement, email copy, and a 280-character social post ready to go.